Oh, that was very good. That was really good. Now put your hand on your knee. Put your hand on. Whoa!
I got it, Michael.
You're too good. Yeah. Yeah. You really want it? Oh, you want it? Okay, 5 more minutes and we'll get it, okay? 5 minutes. Just walk for 5 minutes. I want to see how well you can do without it, and then we'll get it. Because Charlie's not even using it. Good.
Charlie, look at mommy.
That out.
Charlie, look at mommy.
Oh my goodness, look at that. Getting up.
I know, she got...
Without a hand.
No.
Side right there.
This way.
Boys are playing hockey there. We'll go this way.
Let's go over
Talia, you look so cute. Say hi, everybody in here. I'm videoing you. Say hi, everybody. Give us a smile. A little smile.